Good morning, students. We will continue where we left yesterday. The topic of our discussion today would be graph representation. We have till now understood what are graphs, what are edges, and what are the vertices, and what is the types of graphs. What are the possible types of graphs that we can come across through our syllabus. Now in this video we are going to learn about adjacency matrix and adjacency list. They are the two ways to represent a graph. Incidence matrix is not in your syllabus as such. Moving on to adjacency, incidence and degree. Degree is repetition. I have already told you degrees are of two types, in degree and out degree in case of directed graph. In case of undirected graph, degree means the number of edges that are there on any vertex at any point of time. Degree of a node or degree of a vertex is equals to the in degree plus the out degree, the sum of the two degrees. In degree is the number of edges that are coming to a vertex, and out degrees are the number of edges that are originating from a vertex. Now next we look into, assume EI is an edge whose endpoints are Vj and Vk. The vertices Vj and Vk are said to be adjacent. The edge EI is said to incident upon Vj. Degree of vertex Vk is the number of edges incidented upon the Vk. It is denoted as d, function of d Vk. This is the example. Vj, Vk are the two vertices. EI is the name of the edge, and we can see the edge is moving from Vj to Vk at a given point of time. If I say the direction is from J to K. Now, how will you explain adjacency? The two vertices, let's say in our case Vj and Vk, they are adjacent because there is an edge which is joining them together. It says let G is a set of V and E, that is vertices and edges, where V is N and edges are M in number, that is N is the count of number of vertices, M is small n is the count of number of edges. So when you draw an adjacency matrix, it is denoted by capital A bracket mein G, that is a symbol for adjacency matrix of a given graph. It is the product of number of vertices. Suppose I have, let's say 5 vertices. In our case कितने vertex है? W X Y Z 4 vertex है. तो मेरी matrix कितनी बनेगी? 4 cross 4. You can see 4 rows and 4 column. जो इस matrix में entries होंगी points की, okay, that is Aij which we call them. Entries into a matrix वो होंगे number of edges if they are present. We start W से W की कोई edge नहीं है. There is no edge which is connecting W from W. So it is marked as 0, and that applies for X, Y, Z also. You can see diagonal में जो primary diagonal है उसमें W W, X X, Y Y और Z Z सब पे 0 marked है. Next we can see there is an edge from W to X named A. तो W X axis पे लो, Y axis पे X, तो वहाँ पे we marked as 1. 1 का मतलब there are number of 1 edges. There are 1 edge which is connecting W to X. W to Y जाने के लिए you have an edge number B. There is just one edge. तो W to Y पे 1 mark हो गया. W to Z जाने के लिए you don't have any direct edge over there. So it is marked as 0. Next row में आ जाओ X. X to W. X to W there is one edge A. Small a. So we marked as 1. X to X is no edge 0. X to Y. X से Y पे जाने के लिए red color में you can see there are two edges, small c and small d. So it is marked with red 2. Number of edges connecting X to Y is 2, and there is no direct connection of X to Z, so hence it is marked as 0. And similarly for Y to Y and Z vertices also you can have the marking done. When you create such kind of a matrix for a given graph, this is known as the adjacency matrix. This adjacency matrix give me a clear indication. First, how many vertices are there? Second, how many edges are there, and those edges are connecting which vertices. So vice versa can be done. I can give you a graph and ask you to draw an adjacency matrix. I can even give you an adjacency matrix for which you are expected to draw a graph. So girls, you will have to practice both the ways. You may get a question either way. Next, So this is another example of explaining the adjacency matrix. Technically it is said the adjacency matrix of G is written as AG is the product of V cross V, that is number of vertices makes the row and column, or entry Aij is 1 if edge exists, otherwise it is 0. I've already told you. Number of vertices you can see 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So number of rows and columns in a matrix 5, 5 cross 5 की matrix बनेगी, and 1 and 0 indicates whether the edge is present or whether the edge is absent between the pair of vertices that you can practice. I hope it will be clear. It's quite easy. It's not at all difficult. Adjacency matrix in case of weighted graph. In the last lecture, as we discussed yesterday, I told you what is a weighted graph. Weighted graph is nothing. If this is a simple graph, okay, here marking is done in terms of ones and zeros. Edge present or edge absent. 1 if present, 0 if absent. इसी ग्राफ को if I convert into a weighted graph means I am going to label the edges with their weights. That is the distance between the two vertices. Now in that case, instead of writing the marking as 1 and 0, you are going to put the weight into the matrix. See this example. Same graph है 1 2 3 4 5. Edges में सिर्फ नंबरिंग आ गई है. Let's say edge जो 1 से 2 वर्टिस को कनेक्ट कर रही है उस पर नंबर है 5. इससे पहले वाले ग्राफ पे there was no numbering. So this shows that what weight has been added to each of these edges. Now in the matrix में changes क्या होंगे? If the edge is not present, marking 0 रहेगी. But if the edge is present, in that case you are going to mention the weight of that edge in the matrix entry. Okay, so that weight is added. 1 की जगह you'll add that weight. 1 से 2 की edge पे 5 है तो 1 से 2 cross 1 cross 2 पे देखो you can see the entry as 5. 1 cross 5 पे entry is 1, and there are no entries for 4 and 3, so you can see 1 cross 3 is 0 and 1 cross 4 is also 0. Same way if you go on to the second row of the matrix 2 से 1 का direction 5 तो 5, 2 cross 2 is 0, 2 cross 3 is 4. You can see here 2 cross 5 4 is 6, 2 cross 4 is 6, and 2 cross 5 is 3. So you can see here the entry as 3, and similarly the other entries. So that completes on adjacency matrix. Now incidence matrix as such is not in your syllabus, so we skip this topic and move on to adjacency list. Now what is adjacency list? We all are clear, very clear with the topic linked list. List is a linked list over here. List mein what we are going to do is I am going to represent my graph, the pair of vertices and the edges in the form of a linked list. See how. See. Now this is an example. Isme we can see there is a graph 1 2 3 4 5. You can see it's a directed graph. Edge 1, vertex 1 is connected to vertex 2, and vertex 1 is also connected to vertex 5, और कोई भी connection नहीं है 1 से. तो we'll number the list as 1 2 3 4 5 the primary list, and इससे sub list निकलेंगे. So first vertex is connected to 2 vertices 2 and 5. So I have mentioned 1 से connection 2 and 5 का in the first row. Second row पे second vertex is connected to 3 vertices 3 4 and 5. So we will mention 3 4 5. Coming on to vertex 3 is connected to only one vertex 4. तो third row में देखो there is one sublist only, there is one node connected 4 is connected to only 5, so we have 4 पे just 5, and 5 is connected to itself, there is a loop over there. Okay, so we'll write 5 पे fifth row पे there is one node connected. This kind of a representation when done, this is known as adjacency list. So adjacency list का advantage क्या होगा? It saves space for sparse graphs. Most graphs are sparse, hence it is better to use adjacency list over adjacency matrix. And these are some technicals. Then adjacency matrix का advantage save space for dense graph. तो अगर हमारा dense graph होगा तो हम matrix बनाएंगे instead of list, और अगर हमारा स्पार्स ग्राफ होगा, स्पार्स और डेंस में क्या अंतर है? स्पार्स में लेट्स से नंबर ऑफ नोड्स एंड एजेस मिनिमम होंगे, और डेंस में नंबर ऑफ नोड्स एंड एजेस मैक्सिमम होंगे या बहुत सारे होंगे. सो इफ इट इज़ अ डेंस ग्राफ वी बेटर गो फॉर एडजेसेंसी मैट्रिक्स. इफ इट्स अ स्पार्स ग्राफ वी शुड go for adjacency list to represent the graph. That's all for today's lecture. I hope things are clear to you. For any further clarification of the subject, you may call back or you may post your queries on the same WhatsApp group. Thank you.